Hello everyone, this is a small tutorial about how to use the smart dropping system efficiently in the Dilutions pharmaceuticals dilutions. In the first case, the air intake is kept at the bottom. By doing this, you can monitor the speed to be slow. The dilution comes out very slowly. The second option, you rotate the air intake to the side. By shifting it sideways, the speed of the drops increases more than in the first instance. The third option is that the air intake is shifted to the top. When you do this, the speed of the drops coming out of the dilution increases and is much rapid. In this way, by shifting the air intake to different positions, you can monitor the speed with which the drops come out of the dilution. We also have a cap with a double seal. This avoids any accidental spills or evaporation of the dilution in case the cap is left loose. At Dilutions Pharmaceuticals, we care for you and we care for the world.